You want to know how to import data into Asana easily, and in this video, I'm going to show you just that, with a quick, step-by-step guide that'll have you up and running in no time. Before we jump into it, make sure to grab Asana through the first link in the description for an exclusive extended free trial with some amazing bonuses. You won't want to miss that. Now, let's get started. First thing, let's talk about importing CSV files. This is probably the most common way to bring data into Asana. You can import your data directly from a spreadsheet like Excel or Google Sheets. All you need to do is go to your Asana project, click on the project name, and select Import from the drop-down menu. You'll be able to select the CSV file you want to upload, and Asana will auto-map the columns for you. This allows your tasks, assignees, due dates, and more to be transferred smoothly into Asana. Next thing, if you're using a tool like Trello, Asana offers a feature that lets you import your Trello boards directly. It's a super easy process. Just head to your Asana workspace, click on the Import option, and select Trello. You'll need to log into your Trello account, and Asana will pull in all your boards. This can save you a lot of time if you're switching over to Asana from Trello. The third thing you might want to do is import data from other project management tools. Asana integrates with a variety of platforms, and the process is similar. Select Import from the main project view, choose the tool you're importing from, like Monday.com, ClickUp, or others, and follow the prompts. Asana will handle the data transfer, ensuring everything is where it should be. Another important thing to mention is using Asana's API for custom integrations. If you have specific software you're using and need to import data in a more personalized way, Asana's API allows for that. It's a bit more technical, but perfect for anyone who needs to create custom workflows or import data from a tool that doesn't have a native integration with Asana. Lastly, don't forget to check your imported data. Once it's in Asana, you'll want to make sure that everything looks good. Sometimes the mapping can be a little off, especially with custom fields, so it's always good to double-check the imported information to make sure everything is aligned with how you want it to appear in your project. By the way, don't forget that Asana offers a 30-day free trial for new users, and you can access that right now through the link below. You'll also get exclusive bonuses for using that link, which can make your project management even easier. So, that's it. Importing data into Asana is simple and straightforward, whether you're working with CSVs, other tools, or custom integrations. If you follow these steps, you'll have your data in Asana in no time. Make sure to grab that extended free trial through the link below so you can dive in and make the most out of it. Thanks for watching.